model, 2011 Ford Transit 115 Tour T280S Trend minibus body, white, minibus mileage, 168,546 MOT, the 21st of October 2023 engine, 2198 cc TDCI 115 PS DURATORQ 2.2-D transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Whining in several gears, clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, cruise control, aircon EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear cap